Hi, this is David Rainoshek with JuiceFeasting.com. Welcome to Juicy Tips. I want to introduce you to a friend of mine. Many of you may have this friend in your kitchen as well. This is our Vitamix. This thing's traveled with us from Arizona up to British Columbia, all the way down to Ecuador, back up to Texas and to British Columbia. It has been on the road, it has been in airplanes, it has been all over the place. I love this machine. Haven't ever had a client complain about a Vitamix. But they are loud. So this is going to be short, but this is going to protect you for a long time to come. They're loud. Now you can get a big expensive box that goes over the whole thing. You can get little tiny pads that go underneath of them that kind of shush the sound underneath there. But I've got something much more easy for you that will protect your hearing every time you use a Vitamix. And it is these. You just go to a hardware store and you pick them up. They unfold like this. I keep them in the fruit basket in our kitchen. They will reduce the sound that you experience by 25 decibels. That is plenty. It's good enough for a construction site. It's certainly good enough for making green vegetable juice, smoothies, soups, nut milks, etc. You just put them on and that is it. Put them in your fruit bowl. They'll cost you about 15 bucks. Anybody who uses your Vitamix, kids or adults, can just put a pair of these on and protect their hearing. And for today, that's your juicy tip. It's easy. Get over to the hardware store, get a good pair. I like these because they were yellow and they look cute and they fold up like a little melon. But go get those and save your hearing. And I'll see you next time.